Jai Sriman-Narayana. Then Rama has taken Bharata very closely and then hugged Bharata and said, definitely soon after 14 years completion I will be there. Rama said, and also have taken Shatrughna. He gave a hug to Shatrughna. Then Rama is saying to Bharata, Bharata, take care of Mataram Raksha Kaikeyim. Take care of Mother Kaikamma. Marosham Kurutam. Do not show any anger to Mother Kaikamma. Mayacha Sitaya Chaiva Septosi Raghunandana. Ho Bharata, I am swearing upon myself and Sitamma, you should not be showing any kind of anger to Mother Kaikamma. Like that Rama said to Bharata. Then Bharata has taken Ramachandra Swami's padukas, did puja. Bharata did pradakshina to Rama, and then he kept padukas on Uttama Nagamurdhani, on one of the very respected elephant. Then Rama Asru Paritaksho, while moving to tears, while having tears filled up in the eyes, Rama gave a hug to Bharata, and then Rama went to all the people over there, Guru, Acharyas, ministers, citizens, brothers. Rama went to all of them and started send off to everyone. Then there are all mothers, tam mataro, bashpa gruhita kantyo. All the mothers have seen Rama. Mothers are completely filled up with tears and throat is got stuck. They were unable to speak a word. They could not say, Rama, we will see you then. They could not say these words, but Rama himself went to all the mothers, did namaskaram, and he could not control his grief. He could not control his cry. He immediately did namaskaram to all of them and immediately rushed into Rudan Kutim Swam Pravivesa Ramaha. He rushed into Kutiram Parnasala and started crying over there. After Rama, while moving to tears, went into his Parnasala, then Bharata, he already kept Rama Padukas on such a great elephant Shatrunjayam. Now Bharata has taken those Rama Padukas and kept those padukas on his head. Felt so happy, thinking that I got kiritam, I got crown. Rama padukas are my crown. Like that he felt so happy. And then along with Shatrughna, they got into chariot. By then, Vasishtha Maharshi, Vamadeva, Jabali and all those ministers, they already started from there. All of them have done a parikrama to Mandakini river, because in the same river Sita Ramachandra Swami has done his snanam. Because of their touch, Mandakini got so much sanctified, purified. With that kind of thought, all these people have done pradakshina to Mandakini river. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.